Let's answer the question, how do I create data actions to connect to external URLs from visualization canvases in Oracle Analytics? Data actions allow you to navigate to other canvases, external URLs, Oracle Analytics publisher reports, and use in external containers. From your Oracle Analytics homepage, open an existing workbook by simply clicking on it. From here, click the Edit icon to edit the workbook. On the top right corner, click the Workbook menu options and select Data Actions. Then click the Add Action button. Give your data action a name and select URL navigation for type. Now select the column to anchor the data action to. In this example, we select Anatomy part. Enter the URL address you'd like the data action to navigate to and click OK. To invoke the data action we just created, right-click a visualization that contains the columns we anchored to. In this example, any visualization that uses the anatomy part metric will allow you to invoke the data action to the external URL. You've just learned how to create data actions to connect to external URLs from your visualization canvases in Oracle Analytics. My name is Nwang Gyamtso from the Oracle Analytics Product Strategy team. Thank you for watching.